Okay, so I apparently accidentally paused the recording again. Anyway, so to finish up on that last thought, we had b squared equaled something like 36 take away 25, and then b then would of course be, or sorry, b squared equals, what is that, 11? So then b is like the square root of 11, or just radical 11 we could call it. So then if we wanted to describe the highest focal point, I guess we would say, if I took my picture that I got right now, let's see here, how would that go? If we took that picture that we have right now, we could say, well, here's the center point was at 4, 3. I think the focus up here is still 4 steps over, so the 4 part won't change. It's just the up and down part that'll change. So we'll describe it as being 4 comma something. And then the something is weird, because the best way I could think to describe it is this. We knew that we were 3 steps up already, and now we are 11, or square root of 11 steps more up. That's the distance that we're trying to describe now. And so if that part's 11, radical 11, whatever the heck that is, 3 point something, then we'll say, well, the total distance up, or the coordinates of this thing would be, well, it's 4 steps over, and then the up part would be the 3 steps to get to the center, and then another radical 3 steps to get, or sorry, a radical 11 steps to get to the, whatever it is. What is it called? Oh yeah, the focus. So the best way I could think to describe this is, we'll just say 3 steps to the center plus an extra radical 11, and then it's just a funny irrational a plus b radical c type number, and then we just do the same thing on the downward one. On the lower focal point, we'll just say, well, according to that picture, if we do that little a, b, and c thing, that's going to be radical 11 going downward here. So that's going to be, let's see here, it's 4 over, and then it'll be 3 steps up, take away the square root of 11. And that's what I'm thinking they're looking for. Highest focal point is 4 comma that mess, and lowest focal point is the 4 comma that other mess. There's a chance that they don't want coordinates, and they might just want the 3 plus and minus the 11 thing, or whatever. But I'm thinking that they probably want to miss coordinates. Anyway, sorry I forgot to throw that in there at the end.